Hey people, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. Once again, it's me, your bearded bro, Quicksilver 15, back with another video. And yeah, today we'll be reviewing something different. It's not a movie or a TV series, but instead we'll be reviewing something that is actually also close to my heart, which is well, music is close to my heart, and what better way to play music and actually listen and watch to movies than of course having an immersive sound system. And yeah, so kaya magre-review tayo ngayon ng speaker, most specifically the Stockwell II by Marshall. Yeah, so cute intro. Three, two, one, let's go. So yeah, although again, this is in a box. We've been actually using it for a couple of weeks now, and so we'll give you a very much more detailed review and what we've experienced with the speaker so far. So let's get to unboxing this. Okay. So yeah, first off, this box is actually it's good. It's okay. But you know, not the most creative packaging, I guess. But yes, but actually Marshall being a straightforward brand ever since naman, well, I guess it follows their branding. So I guess that's good. So yeah, why did we buy this Marshall speaker? Well, I guess for me, first of all, since I was one of those nerds that played in a band, nerd ba? Pero I used to play the guitar back in high school, and ayun, if you've ever played music, you know that Marshall is a very cool brand when it comes to amplifiers. And yeah, I just love the brand, and ever since I was a kid, ayun, gusto ko na magkaroon ng Marshall speaker or amplifier for my guitar, because ayun yung amp ng mga cool kids.
What?
Back in the day. So yeah, that's why we bought this. It's not sponsored, so we bought this with our own money sa Digital Walker. So I think Digital Walker is one of the licensed partners of Marshall. Parang sila yung mostly nag-distribute ng Marshall products in the Philippines. So ayan, so this is actually the speaker. Yeah, very compact. It is their portable line, so you can use this portably, of course. So ayan, you can charge it and use it whenever, wherever you want. So ayan, so it has three knobs at the top, one for the volume and the bass and the treble. Yeah, so pwede mong i-adjust if how much bass. Of course, I always max out the bass because, you know, that's partly one of the reasons why you would want to buy a high-end speaker, if ever. So to turn this on, you just have to, you know, flip the volume switch and it's on. Yes, it actually shows you how much battery it has here in the corner. Ooh, and it does have a cool guitar sound when you open it. So ayan, I think this is geared towards actually more of music lovers. Pero i-review din natin siya when it comes to when you're watching videos and stuff like that. Kasi it's portable, right? So we use it when we are watching like anime or movies, ayan, sa iPad. Huh? And yeah, so we'll talk a bit about that later on. So ayan, let's see what else is in the box. Of course, we have a manual, a user manual. Sino man nagbabasa ng manual? Of course, we have the charger cord, which is USB, and parang yung new charger. So if you have an Apple thing, I think this works for the new Apple phones and iPads. but I haven't tried, so.
Stop it.
And of course, it has a super nice fancy strap. Although I kind of like it like this, but you know, if you want to carry it around, you have the option of putting on the strap. And for the case of this video, we'll just strap it on as well. And simply lang, it has like a button thing here. Ayan, so isasalpak mo lang na ganyan.
A few moments later.
And it should hold. Ayan. It locks in on itself. So, ayan. Very cool, very elegant design. Of course, we have the Marshall logo in front. Very cool indeed. So, ayan, without further ado, let's test this out. First, we'll have to find some sort of music, of course, to listen to without getting copyrighted, being flagged. So, ayan, let's look for that, and I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
And let's watch some videos, I guess. So hopefully we don't get copyrighted just for you listening to the videos. But ayan, so 10 ancient medieval battles, epic battles. So yeah, let's see. So actually we're watching a scene from the final season of Game of Thrones. Yeah, when they're fighting the Night Walkers. Okay, so medyo may ano siya. How do you see that? Alam niyo sa Dolby Cinemas where parang surround sound. Actually, it feels like the sound is scrolling kahit ano siya, kahit isang speaker lang siya. So I guess that's for one speaker, right?
A last alliance of men and elves marched against the armies of Mordor, and on the slopes of Mount Doom, they fought for the freedom of Middle-earth.
Okay, so we're gonna stop it there because we might get flagged for whatever reason. Pero yun, very solid. The voice is very clean. And again, medyo may surround sound functionality siya. So that's very amazing for a portable speaker, right? Usually you would expect that from the bigger speaker, and usually you would need 2 or more para to get that. But this one parang limited. Medyo limited. So actually parang ito lang yung range niya, pero it does have that functionality kahit in its own little way. So of course, if you want maximum immersion, you will still need to get 2 speakers. Pero imagine nyo na lang, diba? If you're out on the park or in the beach or camping, whatever, wherever you may be, if you want to watch a movie on your iPad, for example, just whip out. So, ayun. So whether you're outside doing stuff or parang siguro nakahiga ka sa kama and you want to watch a movie, you don't want to set up a lot of other speakers, this is actually really good. So ayan, points for this. So actually we've been using it for that specific reason, and we'll share with you why on our next video. But yeah, let's move on to what else we can say about this speaker. So yan guys, should you buy this Marshall speaker? And for the most part, I would say no. Kasi it's a bit on the pricey side. So there are a lot of speakers. Kung gusto nyo lang ng speaker na portable, there are a lot of other options, definitely. Pero for what it's worth, I think this is 10 times better. So I recommend it for the audiophiles at heart. Kung gusto nyo ng portable speaker, I do recommend this one. Pero again, if you just want a regular speaker, then I don't suggest you buy this if you don't care much about audio quality naman. Kung gusto nyo lang ng amplified sounds, then I would suggest you go for the cheaper one. Kasi medyo pricey talaga siya. So it runs for almost 13K. So again, it's a bit pricey. Pero quality of build and how it looks, it is, I think it's worth it. Again, if you're an audiophile. For me, again, part of why I like to buy Marshall speakers is because it does also have a nostalgic factor. Again, having been influenced a lot by music, and having a Marshall speaker is really awesome. So one downside actually is that you can't really connect it with, if you're a musician, you can't really connect it with your instrument. So that is a sad part of it. Although one bonus points for Marshall is it does have an app that you can use to be more accurate with the sounds you get. So we don't use it, so we just use this preset factory settings. So factory settings pa lang, it's pretty awesome, but you can tweak the audio. May ano siya, how do you say that, equalizer app, so you can be more specific with how you want to use it. If you're more focused on watching shows, then you can balance it to fit that, right? Because minsan it does run into the problem like with other speakers where parang nagiging isa yung sound ng voice and the background music. So with the app you can actually again equalize that. So if you want to focus on the voice, you can max that out and, you know, lessen the background music. You can do a lot with this. So again, it's not really, I don't recommend it to everyone, pero again, if you're an audiophile, if you love music, if you love quality of audio per decibel, as I keep saying, then I do recommend you buy it. Pero again, it's not for everyone. So portability wise, ayun, kung if you're going to your bedroom, if you're walking around the house, it's fine. If you're traveling in a car, it's fine. If you're going camping or whatever, it's fine. Pero if you're going to other countries, like to the airport, I don't recommend you bring this because it's a bit on the bulkier, portable side. So it has a lot of other bigger cousins. It has one smaller brother, which is, I forgot the name, but it's much smaller than this. Pero overall, I think this is the best out of their 4 portable speakers because it is a good size. Again, it is still portable. The small one, I would think that, although I haven't used it, pero the size would actually have even less volume. So that's a minus for it. Pero I guess it is more portable than this. Pero again, even that one I won't recommend you bring to the airport because, you know, there's a lot of issues when bringing bigger gadgets to the airport. So I would just suggest you bring a headset or whatever. Pero again, if you're just camping to the beach or whatever, it is also slightly waterproof, IPX4 water resistant. So I guess it's perfect for the beach, right? So campfire by the beach, listening to music with this solid bass and whatever, that is definitely a good time in my book. So ayun, we're giving this particular speaker a good 6 out of 10. And 6 because again, it is on the pricey side. I don't recommend it to everyone, and yeah, it's more for the audiophiles out there. If you're into good old classic rock and roll, that whole aesthetic, then again, this is probably for you. If not, there are a lot of other speakers out there. So ayan guys, that is just the reason for that. Pero again, it is one of the better speakers out there. So if you want, if you are curious to where you can buy this, you can actually, we have a link down below. It would really help us a lot if you click the link if you're interested in buying. So ayan. So that's it guys. What do you think of this Stockwell II unboxing video? Do you have one? What is your experience? Please leave down in the comment section below. And once again, it's me, your bearded bro, Quicksilver 15, signing off. So peace. And if you have any other questions with regards to this speaker, again, feel free to ask. And so that's it. Once again, it's me, your bearded bro, Quicksilver 15.